Hello, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for joining this session on Agentic AI for automation and intelligent workflows. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through what this course and how Agentic AI can support a smarter and more efficient work across the teams. So, Agentic AI represents the next stage in the how organization work and how artificial intelligence is going to get introduced into this. Instead of using AI only for individual tasks, agentic AI focuses on systems that can assist across the entire workflows. This course is designed to help you understand how AI agents operate, how they make decisions, and how they can be safely integrated into the real business process. The emphasis is not on the blind automation, but on building the intelligent assistant that works alongside people, not independently of them. Many teams today rely on fragmented tools and manual handoffs. This leads to delays, repeated efforts, and inconsistent outcomes. So, Agentic AI addresses this by allowing AI systems to plan steps, take actions, and coordinate tasks across tools and systems while still keeping humans in control. This course helps you to recognize where AI agent can reduce that friction and it can improve efficiency and support better decision making without increasing any of operational risk. Agentic AI refers to goal driven AI systems that can reason through a task, decide on next steps, and use tools or data sources to move toward and create the outcome. Unlike chatbots, these systems are designed to act, not just to respond. However, they are not autonomous in an uncontrolled way. Well designed agents operate within defined boundaries with clear approvals points and accountability. Understanding this distinction is critical to using agentic AI responsibly. In this course, you will learn how AI agents are structured, including how they reason, how they use memory, and how they interact with the tools and systems. You will also explore the single agent and multiple agent use cases, um, along with real examples from operations, IT, analytics, and business workflows. A strong focus is placed on safety, governance, and human oversight so that automation enhances the reliability rather than creating a new risk. So, by the end of this course, this program, you will be able to evaluate where agentic AI matters, where it makes sense, and where it is done, and what it is not supposed to be done. The goal is not to maximize the automation, but the intelligent automation. Human judgment, accountability, and ethical responsibility will always remain central, while AI agents handle structured, repeatable, and time consuming tasks. This mindset ensures long term value and trust in the AI driven systems. So, finally, the agentic AI is a powerful capability when it is designed with very much clarity and the control. This course will provide the foundation to use it thoughtfully, safely, and effectively within your organization. Thank you, and let's get started.